If you want to easily grow your detailing business in 2022, then this video is for you. Hello everyone. My name's Dylan, and today we're going to talk about one of the easiest strategies you can use to start growing your business. This strategy is for the online marketing side of things. And if you haven't started promoting your work online, you should probably do that right now. However, if you have been posting on things like social media or forums or however you get your information out there, then you may have faced some issues depending on how long you've been doing it for. To be more specific, you may have told yourself you're going to post one day, and then when that day came around, you were stumped and couldn't think of anything to say. That could be from being new to the platform, or it could be the complete opposite and be from being on it for too long without seeing results. Either way, it's really easy to start off motivated with a posting schedule to market your work and then lose that steam over time. That's why this video exists. There's a simple workaround to this that benefits not only you, but your customers as well. This is repurposing and reformatting your content. To break it down, if you've been posting on anything for a while now, chances are you've gained some traction and new potential customers are checking out your work. They haven't seen what you posted over a year ago because it's gotten buried by all of your new content. So, you could post it again for your new audience to like, without having to restart or remake anything. Or, you can simply put a new angle on what the content was originally about to give that old audience who's already seen it something that feels fresh and new. For example, if you've been posting before and after pictures of your previous jobs to show how good you are, creating a compilation of some of your best transformations could go a long way. Or, say you're wanting to help out other detailers and are making how-to guides. You could do the same thing, but instead put it in a short or long video format. There's honestly so many different ways to go about it, and to basically just keep evolving your content. That way you don't have to constantly stress about what you're going to upload next. This is especially useful for when winter rolls around and customers may not be coming in like they used to. You can still gain their attention and make your online presence even better without missing a beat or the risk of burning out. I'm not saying you have to post constantly or that you're going to lose all of your customers if you don't. I'm not saying that you can't take breaks from promoting your business either. All I'm saying with this video, all of it, is that this strategy has helped me continue to be productive without overworking myself because, as everyone knows, life can get pretty busy. If you follow me on social media, then you may know that me and my girlfriend just recently had our son, which means I want to spend time with him and get into everything there is about being a dad. The point being, you don't have to drop your personal life or your detailing life to keep your business alive. To sum it all up, if you use this strategy of repurposing and reformatting your already existing content, I can guarantee that you'll be able to grow your business without overworking yourself or your team, and you'll have more time to grow in other ways as well, which is the best thing all around. With all of that said, let me know if you plan on trying this strategy out. It's simple, but sometimes people don't think of it, or they don't think they're allowed to do it, or can, or they just don't know how. So if you plan on trying it out, or if you have already, let me know how it's going for you. I would love to hear your experiences. Also, if you have anything you'd like to share, make sure to do so because I would love to hear that as well. And that's that. See ya.